Step 1. Right-click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. Then click on Device Manager from the menu. Step 2. Once you're in Device Manager, go to the top and click on View, then choose Show Hidden Devices. Now, take a look. Your camera might be listed under Cameras, Imaging Devices, or maybe even under Unknown Devices if there's a yellow warning sign. If you see it there, that's perfect. If not, no worries, let's move on. Step 3. Click on your computer name at the very top of the Device Manager list. Then go to the Action tab and click on Scan for Hardware Changes. Wait a few seconds and see if anything new shows up, especially your camera or any device with a warning symbol. Step 4. Still not showing? Don't worry, let's try adding it manually. Go back to the Action menu and select Add Legacy Hardware. Click Next. First, try search for and install the hardware automatically. If that doesn't work, do it again, but this time choose Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. From the list, choose Imaging Devices or Cameras. Select the manufacturer. For built-in cameras, pick Microsoft. For others, choose the correct brand. Click Next and follow the steps to finish the setup. Step 5. Now restart your computer and check if your camera is finally back and working. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.